Tired of the same old kitchen routine, wishing you could spend less time prepping and more time enjoying delicious meals? Look no further. We have an array of innovative kitchen appliances that will revolutionize your cooking experience, so let's dive into this fantastic kitchen. Over the sink colander strainer basket. Versatile and convenient. Stretch over your sink for rinsing, draining, and drying veggies, fruit, pasta, and utensils. Doubles as a dish rack or countertop basket, offering comfort and ease in handling. Space-saving design. Adjustable size, expanding from 14 to 19 inches to fit most sinks and save storage space. Elevated bottom prevents water backup, ensuring cleanliness. Efficient functionality. Evenly spaced holes prevent food from slipping through while promoting airflow for drying. Not suitable for rice or small grains due to hole size. Safe and durable. BPA-free plastic construction ensures safety for food preparation. Heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Fruit slicer cup. Practical kitchen tool. This 2-pack cup slicer handheld makes slicing fruits and vegetables effortless. Easy to use and clean, it's suitable for both home and restaurant cooking. Durable and safe. Made of 304 stainless steel and PP material, this fruit slicer ensures durability and safety. Its smooth surface and lack of sharp edges protect your hands during use. Convenient design. Simply place the slicer on top of the fruit and press down for evenly shaped slices. Compact and portable, it easily fits into kitchen drawers or countertops without taking up much space. Efficient cutting. The cup-shaped design allows for more uniform slicing, saving time and energy. Ideal for cutting apples, strawberries, bananas, egg, and more. It's a handy kitchen gadget for everyday use. Great gift idea. Surprise your family or wife with this practical kitchen tool. Whether for home or restaurant use, this mini slicer makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Multifunction drain basket. Versatile kitchen tool. The Juipu multifunction drain basket combines washing, draining, storage, and more in one convenient design. Perfect for washing fruits and vegetables or mixing salad, it enhances kitchen efficiency. Innovative design. Unlike traditional drain baskets, this one features a spout for easy straining and cleaning without worrying about food falling out. Its large capacity and flat bottomed round edge make it easy to carry and use. Efficient and durable. Made of high-quality food-grade pet material, this drain basket is resilient and durable. It's suitable for various fruits, vegetables, rice, pasta, seafood, and more, making kitchen tasks a breeze. Easy to clean. With a streamlined design, this drain basket can be rinsed with clean water and a rag for quick cleaning. Do not put it in the dishwasher. Pepper corer. Grill Master's Essential. The jalapeno corer tool effortlessly removes seeds from peppers with its ribbed scoop-like head, making coring a breeze. Versatile design. Use the serrated edge to slice various peppers, including jalapeno, chile, and bell peppers, enhancing your grilling experience. Easy to clean. Made of stainless steel, this corer is dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup after use. Skin-friendly. Minimize skin contact with capsaicin by using this corer tool, preventing irritation while cooking. Recipe book included. Get inspired with 25 downloadable recipes and ideas to make the most of your corer tool in the kitchen. Garlic grinder. Experience kitchen ease with our hand garlic grinder, ensuring quick and seamless slicing. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for efficient slicing without fuss. Elevate your culinary skills with the small hand grinder for garlic. Its precision double-sided blades ensure uniform thickness for consistent garlic grinds in your favorite recipes. Discover the future of garlic prep with the 2024 new hand-pressed garlic chopper. This revolutionary tool ensures safety and precision while eliminating the risk of slips or spicy mishaps. Unleash your inner chef with garlic press hand specialty tools. The user-friendly design makes it accessible for beginners and seasoned cooks to create evenly thick slices of garlic effortlessly. The hand garlic grinder is more than a tool. It's a kitchen companion. Its dual-purpose design, featuring a double-sided blade, offers versatility for both slicing and grinding. If you enjoyed this video and found these gadgets helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. Stay connected by following me on social media. Exciting things are coming, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks again for watching.